Okay, so now we shall do the translation exercises. So please raise your hands, those of you have tried attempting this and have answered it. So if you've got a chance already, please lower your hands so that other students also will get a chance. Okay, we shall do now the translation exercises. Pranaya Mishra.
Namo Namaha.
Namaste.
Namaste. Yeah, first one, Bala Gachati, child goes.
Okay, that's good. Child goes or a boy goes. Okay, because Balaha, it can be used, but Shishuhu or any other word will be like apt for child. So,
Okay.
but can be used. I mean, I'm not saying it cannot be used at all. But here, mostly because Balaha, and then also we have different lingas. So the boy goes would be a better statement.
Mahodaya,
Yeah.
in Sanskrit, right, in English, you have mentioned the boy goes. Is there any way to say the in Sanskrit?
The is okay. The like, I mean, for example, to know uncertain things like a or an we use, right? So
Yeah.
for that we have something like kashchana, chana or chit we can actually make use of. But for the specific one, like, I mean, the is basically is intended in any statement. If you are it is by default the case, and in some cases when it is not there, like, I mean, kashtana or something like that would be used.
So in that scenario, if one boy goes, then
Right.
that would be ekah balah gachati.
That's right. One boy goes, you can have ekaha balaha gachati, or even the boy goes also means one boy goes only, because we are using only singular. So singular
Okay.
is common, but only when it is dual case. In such case only we'll have to emphasize that two boys go, etc. in English. But if you just say boys go, it can be two or many. So that's the reason we will have to say the number, specify the number. Like for the second example, we can see that.
Okay. Second one, Ashwau Dhavatah. Two horses run. Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Mrigaha Chalanti. The animals walk.
That's right. Animals walk. Mrigaha has both meanings. One is basically an animal. One more meaning is a deer. So you can use either of them. So no issues there.
So it should be deers, then the mrigaha, it's a plural. The deers walk.
Deer is the plural of deer. So
Yes, sorry. Yes, yeah.
Similar to hare. So
I know, yeah.
Yeah.
Sevakaha Varam Vahati. Sevaka, the servant carries the weight.
Very good. Carries the weight or load. Either of them. I mean, yeah.
Okay. Vaktah Devam Pujyanti. Devotees worship the god.
Very good. Devotees worship the god. Worship the god would be a better one.
Yeah.
So I should add the here. Okay. So that is better. Okay. Yeah. This way, the key important aspects here, right? So basically, we will have to use the present simple actually, because some even in the questions also I see, I mean, in the second main or where from English to Sanskritam is there, so the present continuous form is being used, which is not very apt. Okay, but still we can actually consider that. But and since we know latlakaraha, we should use that in present simple. We'll try to understand those sentences as present simple. So in any of these, we cannot actually use the two horses are running. Okay, we cannot make it as a present continuous, because the meaning of latlakaraha is present simple. So that is the reason we'll have to do in this way. Okay, sure. Dhanyawadaha Mahodaya. Well answered. So we'll go to the next set of questions. Okay. Okay. Next one. Koham. Can you try answering the next set of questions? Koham Mahodaya. Can you unmute yourself and answer the next?
Ram Mahoday. Ram. Dhanikah dhanam yachati. Rich gives wealth.
Wealth or money.
Money.
Okay. Yeah, dhanam is in general money. If you want to say the wealth, it can be sampat or artha or anything. Okay, but even for in general, dhanam is money. Okay.
Balika geetam gayati. Girl sings song.
Girl sings a song. Okay.
Sings a song. Okay.
Yes.
And Mata Putran Palayati. Mother cares or tends for sons.
Very good. Yes. Mother takes care of the sons.
Sons.
Yes.
Chhatraha Vedan Pathanti. Students read Vedas.
Read, recite,
Vedas.
or chant.
Chant.
All,
Okay.
all these are equivalents because though patanti means it's not just reading, it is reciting also. So when we change it to English, we'll have to tell this way. Okay.
Okay. Students chant Vedas. Chant the Vedas.
Yeah, chant the Vedas or chant Vedas is also fine. Chant
Okay.
or recite or read, all these three you can use. There's no harm.
Surya Purva Dishi Udeti. Sun rises from the east
Okay,
direction.
in the east direction,
Okay.
because it is Saptami Vibhakti, Purva Dishi. Okay. So Purva Dik is the Prathama Vibhakti form. Purva Dishi is Saptami Vibhakti.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Well answered.
I have one more small doubt.
Okay.
Can I ask you, please? I had
Yes.
sent it on the question answer box also.
Okay.
This Kidrishi Shabda Rupa,
Right.
we have been taught that Kidrishi is Striling Shabda Rupa, I say, and like that it was taught to us. But what is the Pratipadikam for that, sir?
Kidrishi only. Ikarantaha Strilingaha Kidrishi Shabdaha.
I couldn't get it on searching by that.
Yeah,
It is
some of them-
Kidrik they show, and it's also showing a different forms, different
No, no.
forms there.
it is Kidrishi Shabdaha only. So it is similar to Nadi Shabdaha. So Ikarantaha Nadi Shabdaha. So if you
Right.
know the forms of that, it is similar to that. I think I had shown Kidrishi Shabdaha.
Yeah,
also.
you had given that.
Right.
You had given that. Thank you very much.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Okay, so Nataraj Mahodaya, we'll try to do the next set of questions.
He reads.
Right.
That questions for that. So he
Can
reads.
you please speak near the mic so that it will be much more clear?
He reads. Sah patati.
Very good.
She is laughing. Sa hasati.
Very good. So basically, that's what here is where I said some of the sentences has like a present continuous, but treat it as present simple. So she laughs. That would be the apt statement here. Okay. Yeah. Please continue.
These
Masculine gender are going to the city.
going to the city.
Try to construct half sentence at least. I shall help you out.
Nagaram
Gachanti. Very good. These is Pullinga and Bahuvachana. We need to use a Sarvanama Shabda. That means they. We need to use Etat Shabda.
Sorry.
Eshaha Etau.
Yeah.
Very good. Ete Nagaram Gachanti. Very good.
She sings a song. Sa Geetam Gayat.
Very good. Sa Geetam Gayati.
This man also.
Asks is Prichati.
Prichyate.
Hmm.
Sa
Not Saha. Not that person. This person. So Eshaha.
Yeah.
Eshaha Mam Prichati.
Mom Prichyate. Okay.
Yeah. Aham avam vayam mam ma avam no. So mam prachari. Eshaha mam prachari. Okay. Yeah. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Please continue practicing. Okay. We'll go to the next set of questions. So Sriram Venkatesh.
Namaste, Acharya.
Namaste. Can you try answering these?
I am reading a book. Aham Pustakam Pathami.
Very good.
Ava. We too salute the God. Avam Devam Namamaha.
Nam,
Namamahu.
no. Namami, Karomi, or say Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha.
Namamaha.
So here namavaha is also correct. That is right. What answer you told is also correct. Otherwise, if you want to use vanda dhatu, then it becomes vandavahe. So namavaha is also correct. Okay. Devam namavaha. That is also correct. Okay. Next one.
We are taking bath. Vayam Snanam
Karoti. Of that you use
Vayam
kurmaha.
Snanam Kurmaha.
Very good.
Where are you going? Putra Tvam Gachasi.
Very good. Tvam kutra gachasi, kutra tvam gachasi. Both are correct. Okay. So don't worry about the order. Okay. Next one.
Are you going to the office? Tvam
Right. So tvam kutra gachasi. Tvam for the office karyalayam. You can use the word karyalayam.
Tvam Karyal Tvam Karyalayam Gachasi va.
Very good. Gachasi va, gachasi kim, gachasi. So okay, are you okay? So okay, here it was not plural was not mentioned here in the English one. From the Kannada one, I'm able to know that it's the plural. But okay, so yeah, if they don't mention, then you can put it in singular also. No issues. So because otherwise they should have asked, are you all going to the office? Okay. So yeah, Yuyam Karyalayam Gachatha va basically, or Tvam Karyalayam Gachasi va. That is the correct way. Okay. Uttamam Sriram. Well answered. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad Acharya.
Okay. We'll see. We'll go to the next main. Phanishri Bhagini.
राम महोदय.
Ram.
हरीशः शालां गच्छति. Harish goes to school.
Very good.
चन्द्रः आकाशे शोभते. Moon decorates the sky.
Shines in the sky is good. Yeah, decorates the sky doesn't go well here. But yeah, it is kind of the intended meaning. You can think in that way.
Moon shines in the sky. The moon shines in the sky.
Right.
Lakshmihi bhojanam karoti. Lakshmi eats food.
Right. Takes meals or eats food. So bhojanam karoti. Karoti means it is an action like takes or something like that. Because khadati eats, if we say, then it is a different dhatu. Khadati. Bhojanam khadati, if it were there, then Lakshmi eats food or eats meals, etc. would have been better. Okay. Yeah. Next one.
He takes food. Jagadishah janakena saha gacchati. Jagadisha goes with father.
Along with father or goes with father. Both are right.
Mata putraya kshiram yachati. Mother gives milk to son.
Very good. Very good. Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawadaha Mahoday.
Okay. Kalyan Mahodaya, can you try answering the next set of questions?
Namo Namah, sir.
Tvam
Gramam Gachasi. You go to village. Yuam Kim Kurutha. What do you do?
What do you or what are you doing or what do you do? Etc. Both are correct. What do you all do? Maybe in the bracket just put all, because in English whether when you it is whether a singular or plural, it is always a debatable, right? So that is why basically with respect
But
to the question,
you have written the present continuous tense. But technically, it should have been present
Correct.
indefinite only.
What do you do? Yes, that is right. What do you all do is the right
But
one.
sir, the normal practice, do we often interchangeably use this present indefinite in place of present continuous?
So basically what
Is
happens
it acceptable? I mean, what is the practice, normal practice?
correct. Normal practice, see, in general, to just get a meaning, etc. Sometimes we do interchangeably put this like present continuous, like in some of these cases, even in the questions as you have seen. But technically, the correct way to do it is to have that present simple only, not continuous.
Mhm. But
Yeah.
in English, sir, we take it particularly. I mean, we can't interchangeably use it in
Correct,
most
correct.
cases. Only in
Correct,
some
that's-
scenario, maybe interchangeably
That is
used.
true.
But
But yeah, for
okay,
now we
sir.
should keep it as like present simple is what we'll have to use. Yeah, let us try avoiding using the present continuous. I will change this as well. What do you do is
Mhm.
right. Okay.
Aham jalam anayami. I bring water.
Okay.
Anayami.
Yeah.
But written future tense, sir.
So that's what. So like it is very not very clear because I bring water. I will bring water. So in general, this is probably is what it would mean. So okay. So here it is a very thin line because I will bring water. Though it seems like it's future tense, but I bring water is fine. We will keep that way.
Avam paropakaram kurvaha. We too do welfare. Can it, we too do welfare or help others?
We do help others. That is sufficient. Yeah, welfare.
Hmm.
I mean, you can use, but we do help others. That is sufficient.
Vayam griham pravishamaha. We all enter the house.
We all enter the house. So we enter. So we is anyway plural. So no issue. I enter the house or we enter the house. So we enter the house. So
No,
issue.
just to distinguish from we two,
Correct.
I added
Yeah,
we all.
yeah, but we in general means plural. To specify we two, we'll have to. I mean, avam. Then we'll have to specify we two because we in general is plural. So that way.
Oh, I see, I see. So
Right.
only in case of dual, we need to make it explicit.
Yes, yes, yes. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
people will
Thank you.
understood even in English. So, but there's no harm in writing we all enter the house. That is also correct. I'm not telling that it is wrong, but it is not required to say we all because
Yeah.
by
Okay.
default we means it is we all. So that's what I mentioned. Sure. Dhanyavadaha. We'll go to the next.
Dhanyawad, sir.
Okay. Sanat, can you try answering some of these?
Namo Namaha Mahodaya.
Namaste.
The rich man gives the money to the poor. Adyaha dhanam yachati.
Dhanam yachati to whom?
I can't get the word.
Okay. Adhyaha is basically a rich, or we can use another word also for that. For the poor, it is daridraha. So daridraya. So dhani daridraya dhanam dadati, or instead of this adhyaha daridraya dhanam dadati, or dhanikaha daridraya dhanam dadati. All these three are same. Okay. Dhani means a person who is having money. Otherwise, you can also use dhanikaha, a simple word. Dhanikaha daridraya dhanam dadati. Okay. Next one.
Krushikaya mrugam.
Krishikaha, farmers.
Krushikaha mrugam.
Rare is basically to take care or have it. So in Aramaha, we have seen that word. Dhenuhu, Rishabhan, etc. Palayanti, you would have seen that word.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So Krishakaha Praninaha Palayanti or Mrigan Palayanti. You can use that, but Praninaha, we know this word, so we will use this Praninaha Palayanti. Okay, next one. He is going to Mysore.
Saha Mysuru Nagare gachati.
Mysuru Nagaram Gachati. Saha Mysuru Nagaram Gachati. Okay, next one. Raghav is eating food. Basically, this is all we'll have to consider it as he goes to Mysore, Raghav eats food. Okay, so Kripaya, please make note of this because Latlakara usage is basically for present simple and not continuous. But just keep it in mind and while translating, use Latlakara Rupa. Okay, yeah, Raghav is eating food. Raghav eats food. Raghavaha.
Raghavam bhojanam khadati.
Very good.
Raghava bhojanam khadati.
Yes, Raghavaha bhojanam karoti, bhojanam khadati. Both are right. So bhojanam karoti also means eats food, but if you know the dhatu exactly for eating, that is bhojanam khadati. That is the better way to write it. Yes, next one. Last one. The dancer dances. Can you try? Nartaki
Nartaki
nrityam
nrutyam
karoti or Nartaki nrityati. Nartaki nrityati. This is the a sentence. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Well answered. Practice further. Okay, we shall go to the last set of questions, last 5 questions, and we shall see next. Okay, Prakash Mohini.
Namo Nama.
Namaste.
The Vatus beside the Vedas. Vatva Vedan Bhoshanti.
Vedan Pathanti is still sufficient. So Vatavaha, Vatuhu is basically Ukaranta Shabdaha. We haven't learned that, but Guravaha, something like this, you can use. Okay, Vatavaha Vedam Pathanti. Okay.
Pathanti. But for Vedas, you have mentioned reciting, so we can't mention Bhoshati.
So Ghoshayanti, it will not be
Bhoshyanti.
yeah. So, but Ghoshanti is in general, it will become like announces. Okay, announce. That is the meaning of that word. So, Pathanti would be a right word, or Vadanti is also you can use. Yeah.
The ill person is going to the clinic. Rogena Jana Vaidya Shalam. Clinic will be Vaidya Shalam, no?
Should be fine. Yes.
Gachati.
Gachati. Right. So, another way is Rogi, basically a person with who is ill. Aushadhalayam Gachati. Aushadhalayam is also fine. Or Vaidyashalam Gachati. Both are correct. Both can be used. Okay. Aushadhalayam can mean both. One is the medical store. Okay. That is one thing. Another one is also clinic. So, where medicines would be given or prescribed. You can think in that way. So, Aushadhalayam Gachati. Next one.
Krishna's brother is Balaram. Krishnasya Bhrata Balarama.
Very good. Krishnasya Bhrata Balaramaha or Krishnasya Sahodaraha. Sahodaraha is also brother. So you can use any of this. Next one.
Tomorrow there will be exam in school. Shwa Pariksha Vidyalaya Asti.
Asti or Bhavati. Okay, we can use that. Shwaha Pathashalayam or Vidyalaye. Both are correct. You have used Vidyalayaha. So Vidyalaye Pariksha Asti. Pariksha Bhavati. You can use it. Okay. Next.
The crops grow by rain. Dhanya Dini Vrishya Rohanti.
Vrishtya. Very good. Vrishtya Dhanyadini or Sasyani Rohanti. So Sasyani Rohanti. This is fine. Even we can use that way, Dhanya Dini. But Dhanya is basically not just crop. It can be various other things. So crops, we can use this Sasyani. So that should be fine. Okay, sure. Dhanyavadaha, well answered. So hope most of your doubts or something related to this translation exercises is clear by now. So let us see if I'll just see if there are any other questions, like I mean, any important question that we need to see. So, how can we translate Janaha and Janaha? It is same way, like people only. Okay. So, For Janaha, you can make it use as one person, okay? And Janaha, people you can use. So that should be fine. Okay, so related to the exam, etc., I shall make the announcements now. So please wait. So Vahati and Nayati are synonyms. Probably we can think in that way. Nayati basically means takes or carries, etc. Vahati also carries. So Nadi Vahati. So here in that case, Jalam Vahati, basically Nadi is carrying water. In that way we can use Vahati and Nayati. In most of the cases, we can probably use it interchangeably. Bharam Vahati, Bharam Nayati. Both are equivalents. Okay. Next, why not use Devaya Namaha? Devaya Namaha means salutations to the god. Okay. But here, what was the sentence? Sentence was they worship or they bow down to God. So hence that Vandavahe or Namavaha is used. Okay. So I think, yeah, some of these are there. Dhanikaha Deenam Dhanam Dadati, that is also correct. Dhanikaha Deenam Dhanam Dadati is also correct. Next, for Aushadhalayam, instead of Aushadhalayam, we can also have Rugnalayam, that is also right. A place like hospital, you can use that also. So these are some of the words which can be used. Then Nartakaha is basically for the masculine. So here it was a dancer. Okay, so you can use Nartakaha Nrityati or Nartaki Nrityati. So if it is feminine. Daridraya, Dinaya, we can use. So that is fine. Okay. So if for brothers, it Bhrata, how will it be used? So Bhrata is correct. Bhrata can be used. Bhrata, Bhrataro, Bhrataraha. For many brothers, you will have to use Bhrataraha. It is a Rikaranta Shabda, which is not, which we haven't learned. Okay. So that is the form. Otherwise, Sahodaraha is simple, quite simple, and we can use Akaranta Shabda. For most of the Shabdas in general, we can see a substitute in Akaranta Shabda. So we'll try to use Akaranta because we have learned it and we shall use it in a correct way. Okay. So I think these are some of the questions which were there, but I think there are some more questions that I see in the Q&A, but I think it would have got answered during this session, I believe. If something is still pending, I request you to please write an email to me. Okay, now let me reshare my screen.